How to use your CCE Ecological Vouchers. CCE Ecological Vouchers are electronic tickets used on the CCE membership platform. It can be regarded as a redemption voucher for the rewards you earn in the CCE International Community Development Program. Every reward earned in the International Community Development Program includes development dividends, green ambassador dividends, global weighted dividends. All rewards need to be exchanged for withdrawable USDT at an equivalent value of CCE Ecological Vouchers. Once the CCE Ecological Vouchers are used for reward redemption, they will be transferred to the dividend wallet as withdrawable USDT. At this point, it indicates that you have utilized the corresponding amount of ecological vouchers. Please note that each ecological voucher can only be redeemed and used once. Therefore, maintaining an adequate balance of CCE ecological vouchers is one of the key elements to earning rewards in the International Community Development Program. So, how can you acquire CCE ecological vouchers? There are two ways to acquire ecological vouchers. 1. Account registration. Receive 3,000 USD worth of ecological vouchers. 2. Conversion of carbon indicator from the dividend wallet generates 20% daily CCE ecological vouchers. For example, if you have 1,000 units of carbon indicators and the price per unit of carbon indicator is $5 today, then you will receive $1,000 worth of CCE ecological vouchers today, calculated as 1,000 multiple 5 multiple 20%. Profit tips reminder. 1. The more carbon indicators you have, the more ecological vouchers you will receive. 2. Keeping a balance of carbon indicators in your account ensures a continuous generation of ecological vouchers. 3. A steady flow of ecological vouchers means you can constantly earn rewards in the International Community Development Program. Next, you might wonder, what happens if the rewards I earn in the International Community Development Program exceed the amount of ecological vouchers I possess? In other words, if my daily ecological vouchers are insufficient to redeem the rewards I generate on that day, will I still have the opportunity to receive my rewards? The answer is yes. The unredeemed rewards will not disappear. They will be transferred to your storage wallet first. Once you have sufficient ecological vouchers for redemption, they will be transferred to the dividend wallet and become withdrawable USDT. Did you understand the above operation mode of CCE ecological vouchers?